Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Then enter the model number of your graphic card. Go for RTX 4070 Ti equal to LG. You can remove also if you have a 2.0, so enter the 2.0. Otherwise you don't know, you just remove it and then again hit enter. After that click on the product. You can see there are two devices showing 1.0 and 2.0. Select which is you using. If you don't know, select none because driver installations downloading and same on everything. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating systems same. So this is NVIDIA driver and this is download icon. You can see version, size, release date and all there. Download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take some time, depend about your internet speed. After that completed, then click on three dot in the corner and then again click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity and then next to install, next and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.